Hey guys! Among all the chemical reactions that you can find on YouTube, the reaction of potassium permanganate and hydrogen peroxide is the most popular one. As a self-respecting YouTube chemist, I will not show you that elephant toothpaste reaction. Instead, I'd love to show you the slow-motion footage of potassium permanganate and hydrogen peroxide interaction. Because all the reactions, even the most common of them, look different in slow motion. Well, except that elephant toothpaste one. Like this video if you too are fed up with this amateur mainstream nonsense of the reaction. So this flask contains regular 30% hydrogen peroxide, and now I'm going to drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate in there. Oops, sorry guys, I mixed up the flasks. There is just some water in this one, sorry guys. Now it's hydrogen peroxide, for sure. Slow motion really helps to understand the principles and the mechanisms of reactions. Notice how a gas bubble forms around the potassium permanganate crystal when it gets into hydrogen peroxide, and when the crystal bounces off of the hydrogen peroxide surface, reaction stops. Such behavior is typical of catalytic decomposition reactions, when the reaction runs only over a catalyst. In a moment I'll show you a little bit of slow-mo chemistry, but before we start, if you have any chemical ideas that need a high-speed camera to be carried out, please share them with me in the community tab post dedicated to this topic. Also, I'd like to thank you all for watching my videos, and huge thanks to my patrons for supporting me and making it possible for us to see chemical reactions in slow-mo. And now here comes the footage you've all been waiting for.